Hello everyone! Welcome to... Hello there again, children. Our lesson for today is another consonant. Are you excited? Great. But before that, let us go back to the first other consonants that we had learned. So what are those? Yes, letter S. That says S. How about the letter that says M? Great. That's letter M. How about the letter that says L? Very good. I can hear you. That's letter L. How about the letter that says T, T, T? Great. That's letter T. How about the letter that says F? Yes, that's letter F. Great, children. Now, I think you're ready for the next consonant. And this is letter H. You say H. Again, H. Very good. What is the sound of letter H? Letter H, letter H. What is the sound of letter H? Everybody say, as if you're breathing out. You say, very good. So you got it right, children. One more time. What's the sound of letter H? Very nice. Now, let us try to find all the hearts with big or small letter H. Can you see those hearts there? Okay, heart. Heart begins with letter H. So now let's find all the H there in 5 seconds. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I put heart inside the bigger hearts. You take a look at that. Did you get them right? Wow! So those are big and small letter H. This time, let us learn how to write it. Okay, I have here a letter with arrows. All you have to do is follow the arrows with your pointer finger. Okay, pointer finger up, and you follow through as I go through the arrows. Let us begin with this arrow down. A vertical line going down, whoop, another vertical line going down, whoop, and a horizontal line to connect those two. Whoop. One more time. 1, 2, and 3. How about the small one? Okay, a vertical line going down, whoop, and a curved line. Whoop. One more time. 1 and 2. Wow! You are all great, children. I know that you were able to write the big and small letter H. This time, Teacher Ida will show you pictures of objects that have beginning sound. They all begin with letter H. Are you ready? Let us begin. This is a hanger. Everybody say hanger. What do you put on a hanger? Great, your clothes. Okay, how about this one? Heart. Heart. Wonderful. Hand. Hand. Where are your hands? You got 2 hands, kids. The left and the right hand. Okay, so we have 2 hands. You know that song, I have 2 hands? I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Yay! Next, we have here a hen. You say, hen. What is a hen? A hen is a mommy chicken. They lay eggs. There you go. Next is a hill. A hill is a landform that is smaller than the mountain and it has rounded top. So this is a hill. Next that we have here is house. You say house. Next is ham. Ham. Who likes ham? Oh, how about this one? Hammer. Hammer. It goes with a nail, of course. Okay, next is horse. You say horse. The horse that says neigh. Horse. Next is hat. Hat. Who has a hat? Wow. Next is hair. Hair. And this is a helicopter. You say helicopter. Next is hay. You say hay. You know what is a hay? Hay comes from dried leaves of rice or wheat. Next, hamster. Hamster. So those are objects with h beginning sound. This time I will have pictures and I want you to put a check on the objects with h beginning sound. All those objects that begin with letter H. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me see if you found them. Did you get them right? Great, children. So the house, helicopter, horse, and hammer all begin with letter H. Great job, kids! I know that you are all fast learners. And because of that, I am giving you stars! Yay! Wonderful, children. So I hope that you had a great time today and you have a great learning. Children, don't forget the sound of the letter H because that's very important in reading. As I always tell you, when you read, you just take note of the sound and you are going to put them together. I hope that you had learned something today. Bye! Thank you!